Well, welcome to my project. My name is Logan Simeon, and I was working on a robotic arm this semester. So I'm just going to start out by showing a few panning shots of the project. So I used a kind of a four-bar method for the actual grippers, and the system was run off of an ESP32. And as you can see, the nodes kind of dials here at the bottom, those are five different potentiometers that ran each one of the five different servo motors that I had attached to the system. So the entire project was designed by me. So I made each one of these parts personally, and honestly, maybe spent too much time on that part of the project. But that was what I found a lot of joy in doing. Here at the end, I'm obviously getting to. So this is the final project. I would have liked to have it a little bit more in-house closed, but just with the time constraints that I had towards the end, with a little bit of some technical difficulties with a few of the different servos that I was using, I ended up moving away from that and just using the breadboard. So getting five servos to work together at the same time was one of the main problems that I had to work through. On top of that, one of or a couple of the servos actually ran a little differently, and so I have a video that I'll show right now of actually how that looked. So I had to develop a way to get around that continuous servo just cycling, and so I developed a couple of different blocks of code that helped me get around that, and I'll show that here in this clip, just following. I got to meet with members of the crew down in the PSC, and they helped me find some of the things that were missing from my code. And I was actually able to get most of those servos working. While they didn't all work together reliably at all times, it was a really helpful fix, and I'll show that here. I just wanted to say thanks again for a great semester. I was happy to work on the project and have it working at the end. Obviously, there's some improvements that can be made, but thanks for the semester.